In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on ADA future while examining Cardano cost estimate for 2023 and then some. Kindly remember that you want to think about this and some other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like ADA. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the Cardano value expectation and answer questions in the event that Cardano is a wise venture or not. For what reason will ADA succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will ADA value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is Cardano and its to-date history. What is Cardano? Cardano is a decentralized organization based on blockchain innovation that likewise has its own coin named ADA. Notwithstanding the well-known Cardano digital currency, the Cardano network empowers shrewd agreements and decentralized applications on its harmless to the ecosystem programming, while at the same time keeping up with the security gave by comparable blockchains. Cardano value forecast. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its untouched high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of enormous industry players into the situation, the horizon is dim and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and basic evaluation of each venture. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023 0510 plus 6.42% $0 4147 2023 05 11 plus 1.12% $0 3940 2023 05 12 plus 0.92% $0 3933 2023 05 13 plus 4.15% $0 4058 2023 05 143.93% $0 3743 2023 05 152.98% $0 3780 2023 05 163.58% $0 3757 2023 05 172.61% $0 3795 2023 05 180.62% $0 3872 2023 05 193.46% $0 3762 2023 05 201.48% 38 cents. Cardano value expectation 2023. High expansion and very hazardous large-scale circumstance considered vigorously. Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the interior crypto issues with large players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls. We will presumably see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds likewise. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 Gen 17.97% $0 3196 2023 Joel 38.80% $0 2385 2023 AUG 21.96% $0 3041 2023 SEP 12.76% $0 3399 2023 OCT 5.56% $0 3680 2023 NOV plus 0.04% $0 3898 2023 DEC plus 10.36% $0 4300 2024 JAN plus 10.15% $0 4292 2024 FEB plus 18.93% $0 $4634-2024 blemish plus 30.17% $0 5072-2024 APRA plus 35.75% $0 5290-2024 May plus 44.00% 56 cents a dia value expectation 2025 Our forecast model sees ADA coming to 93 cents in 2025. What will ADA be worth in 5 years? The cost of ADA in 5 years could lie around 85 cents. Cardano value expectation 2030 to 2040 What Cardano will be worth in 2030? Our gauging model sees Cardano coming to $2.34 in 2030. What Cardano will be worth in 2040? Our gauging model sees Cardano coming to $4.68 in 2040. Will Cardano supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Cardano won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Could Cardano at any point reach $10? Indeed, Cardano could reach $10 toward the finish of 2025. Could Cardano at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Cardano to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. Could Cardano at any point reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Cardano to reach $1,000 in the short or mid-term period. Is Cardano worth purchasing? We are promoters of modestly hazardous money management. Put the majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bin of large cap coins and the rest in little undertakings with tremendous potential gain. Thus, in this specific situation, Cardano merits purchasing. Is Cardano a wise venture? Cardano is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, a hazardous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down in light of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. What amount will Cardano be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach 23 cents. In the long haul, it could leap to $2.34 or much higher. For what reason will Cardano succeed and get more expensive? Cardano has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Cardano ascending to $2.34 in 2030. For what reason will Cardano fizzle and drop in cost? Crypto projects fizzle in light of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are: group denounces any and all authority and forsakes the task. Controllers announce it unlawful and press trades to delist it. Absence of media consideration, more fruitful contenders. Absence of very much planned promoting technique. Losing local area support. Possible weakness in the convention. Neglecting to accomplish expected lease development action on the convention. Neglecting to draw in new designers to expand on their foundation. How high will Cardano go? Our determining model sees Cardano value detonating and coming to $4.68 in a far-off future. What is the transient expectation for Cardano? Cardano will reach 23 cents in the following 90 days, which is a 38.8% change over the ongoing cost, which floats around 38 cents. Could Cardano at any point make you a tycoon? Indeed, on the off chance that you purchase huge enough amount of it, try not to hope to contribute $100 and become